Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer insurance benefits with TriNet, full guide step by step clearly. To begin transferring your insurance benefits with TriNet, log in to your TriNet account. Navigate to the Benefits section of the dashboard. Locate the Insurance Benefits option. Select the specific benefit you wish to transfer. Review the eligibility criteria for transferring that benefit. Ensure that you meet all the requirements listed. Click on the transfer button associated with the chosen insurance benefit. Enter the necessary information requested on the transfer form. Include the recipient's details in the required fields. Double-check that all entered information is accurate. Select the reason for the transfer from the drop-down menu. Review the transfer request to confirm all details are correct. Submit your transfer request by clicking the Submit button. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your request has been received. Keep an eye on your email for further updates or notifications regarding your transfer. If there are any issues, reach out to TriNet's customer support for assistance. Once approved, a notification will confirm the completion of the transfer. Ensure to inform the recipient about their new benefits to avoid any confusion. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.